Meaning of imprint.
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 Imprint. Imprint can refer to a mark or impression left on a surface by pressure or contact. It can also refer to a lasting effect or impact that someone or something has on another person, object or situation. This term is often used in the context of relationships, where people may leave an emotional imprint on each other. Additionally, imprinting is a phenomenon in which young animals form an attachment to the first moving object they see, often their mother. In essence, imprint implies the creation of a significant and lasting mark or influence on something or someone.